Welcome you to Product Roadmap 101, translating product strategy into product roadmap for enterprise products codes. First and foremost, why a codes on product roadmap? Among many things that a product manager does, there are very few critical tasks that a product manager should perform for a greater good of the product. First, product manager should understand the overall organizational goals and objectives. Later, align the overall direction of the product towards those goals and objectives. Second, product manager should continuously build consensus among various stakeholders to ensure commonality of product vision, strategy, and objectives. Every stakeholder in an organization should have a unified view of what is the overall purpose of the product, what are the product objectives, and what is the strategy laid to accomplish those objectives. Third, product manager should tirelessly say no to lots of things to ensure that the focus is on very few things that are critical to accomplishing product objectives and putting the product on the trajectory of planned direction. Fourth, product manager has to realign investments, provide direction to the engineering team on reallocation and reprioritization of resources whenever there is a change in the direction of the product. Finally, product manager should communicate the overall direction of the product and the rationale behind it to the executives of the organization. But in order to perform those activities with utmost perfection, product manager needs a roadmap. Nevertheless, the most common problem that I had encountered is that most product managers build a good product roadmap, but good is not good enough. To build great products, we need great product roadmaps. Great products are inevitably accompanied by great product roadmaps. Rightly so, the objective of this course is to facilitate product managers to build a great product roadmap on the foundation of product vision and product strategy. It is essential for product managers to build a strong foundation of product vision and strategy. If product roadmap is built on that foundation, trust me, every other attribute that is required for building a great product roadmap will be taken care of automatically. What are the key takeaways of this course? At the end of this course, you will start realizing that product roadmap is not just a tactical tool, it is a strategic tool. You will start using product roadmap for building consensus among stakeholders, defining the strategic direction of the product, communicating the product direction, saying no to lots of things while saying yes to few things that really matter, clarity on what is required to run business, grow business, and transform business in short term, near long term, and long term respectively. Making rational decisions for realigning investments, resource allocation, and prioritization. Making a successful product or technology transitions at every inflection point. Saying no to a customer and yet make the customer happy. Finally, you'll know how to evaluate the efficacy of the product roadmap. You'll be able to deliver, or rather evaluate, whether product roadmap is directly contributing to accomplishing product objectives and goals as desired. Accordingly, you'll create a feedback loop to identify if any changes are required to the product prioritization process. The most obvious target audience for this course is an enterprise product manager who is on a mission to build great enterprise products. But the course is also applicable to development engineers, sales engineers, account managers, and business development managers as well. When product manager declines a request to approve an awesome idea or decides to let go of $1 million opportunity or say no to one of the key customers, the rationality lay in the product roadmap. Therefore, it is essential for every stakeholder comprising development engineers, sales engineers, account managers, and business development managers to understand the process of roadmap preparation, to be aware of why certain things are prioritized over others. This course provides the foundation for all of them to understand the fundamentals of how a roadmap is prepared and how each of them can make a valuable contribution. Thank you once again for registering to this course, and I hope you'll have a great learning experience. See you soon in the next session to talk in more detail about the outline of the course. Thank you. See you soon.